राम राम हरे हरे।
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी।
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी, प्रणाम।
वेलकम।
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी।
हरे कृष्णा एवरीबॉडी।
हरे कृष्णा सर।
Prabhu ji does very
Hare
good
Krishna,
Kirtana.
sir.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Yes sir. Yes sir. Very nice.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Om Jnanatimirandasya Jnananjanashalakaya Chakshurmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah. Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Prishtaya Bhutale Srimate Bhaktivedanta Swamini Namine Namaste
सरस्वती
Devi
देवी गौरवाणी
Gauravani
प्रचारिणे
Pracharine
निर्विशेषाय शून्यवादी पासितादि सतारिणे
Jai
जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य
Prabhu
प्रभु
Nityananda
नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद
Hare Krishna
हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे।
Then how is everything? धर्मेश जी थोड़ा कम हुआ सूरत में बढ़ ही रहा है अभी भी?
हाँ, थोड़ा कम हो रहा है प्रभु जी अभी।
हाँ, जिसको बीमार पड़ना था पड़ गया। हाँ,
यस प्रभु जी। Maybe Monday onwards it may be full scale. There may not be much restriction.
Yeah, no, economy has collapsed. No, very difficult. What to do? है ना?
Yes, yes. We are gearing up for full strength working, Prabhu ji, from Monday onwards.
नीरज आपके जगह कैसा है?
पे ग्रीन जोन में प्रभु जी। सेफ है।
क्या कौन सा
सेफ
एरिया?
है। झारखंड में बोकारो स्टील सिटी जो है वो अभी सेफ है। तो यहाँ सब चीज अच्छा से फ्रीडम है, अभी सब चीज खुल गया है
पूरा।
हाँ खुला हुआ है। अपना फैक्ट्री भी स्टार्ट किया प्रभु जी, कल ओपन किया।
आपने अपना फैक्ट्री बनाया?
यस प्रभु जी, एक फैक्ट्री खोला ना जॉब छोड़ के।
क्या क्या बना रहे फैक्ट्री में?
वहाँ पे फ्लाईएश, ब्रिक और पेपर ब्लॉक और कंस्ट्रक्शन से रिलेटेड सब चीज, इवन मतलब पूरा A to Z कंस्ट्रक्शन से। और मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में अपना पेपर ब्लॉक और फ्लाईएश, ब्रिक।
लो ईंट बनाते हैं सीमेंट का?
यस 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 प्रभु जी।
अरे चलो लेट हो गया। आज YouTube में डाला है एंड उसका लिंक फेसबुक में शेयर कर दिया है। Yes, Rohan, we are still in the 13th chapter.
Yes sir. 27 sir.
30?
30 Prabhu.
Yes, Rohan Prabhu.
Oh, sorry Prabhu. Sometime I've written -26 in my book.
We did 29, I think, and 30.
Okay. 30.
Yeah, the mind is generally addicted to this we have read.
Yes, Prabhu.
Self-centered process. Today is Saturday. ठीक है, 38th. प्रकृतेव च कर्माणि
प्रकृतेव च कर्माणि
क्रियमाणानि सर्वशः
क्रियमाणानि सर्वशः
यः पश्यति तथात्मानं
पश्यति तथात्मानं
Akartaram sapashyati.
Akartam
Akartaram na
sapashyati.
sapashyati.
One who can see that all activities are performed by the body, which are created of material nature, and sees that the self does nothing, actually sees.
Prabhuji,
Yes.
recording is off.
करना है? Oh. Okay. One who can see that all activities performed by the body, which is created of material nature, sees self does nothing, actually sees. Yes, Hemant, आप ही पढ़ दीजिए.
Yes, Prabhuji. Pranam, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna. Purport. This body is made by material nature under the direction of the super soul, and whatever activities are going on in respect of one's body are not his doing. Whatever one is supposed to do, either for happiness or for distress, one is forced to do because of the bodily constitution. The self, however, is outside all these bodily activities. This body is given according to one's past desires. To fulfill desires, one is given the body with which he acts accordingly. Practically speaking, the body is a machine designed by the Supreme Lord to fulfill desires. Because of desires, one is put into difficult circumstances to suffer or to enjoy. This transcendental vision of the living entity, when developed, makes one separate from bodily activities. One who has such a vision is an actual seer.
So in human form of life, there is an opportunity to come out of the pull of the body. But in other species, it's impossible. You're a dog's body, you have to bark. You have to look for the bone. Isn't it? The body drags you. Some people say, no, it's all my hormones. He's an animal. He's an animal. But human body, Prabhupada says, prove you're a human being by controlling your senses. You have to prove. No, my hormones. Then you're an animal. You're not a human being. Isn't it? This is a general statement, Rohan. Activity
Yes,
that performed by the body, which is material nature, will just drag you. The pig you are, you have to look for stool. I know it's bad. You have to look for stool. You cannot do anything. Body will drag you along. But in human body, it's not like that. Human body, we can pull ourselves out of the Vacha vegam, manasa krodha vegam, jiva vegam, udarapasta vegam, etana veganya vishahita dhira, sarvanapi mam pratvimsa shishyat. Anybody remembers this?
Yes, Prabhuji.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What does it mean? So the body is pulling you, and you have to overcome that. That's human life. Okay? Okay?
Yes.
But general 90% people cannot be. No, what to do now? I'm feeling I should sleep. But then sometimes you can do night out. Anna? You can come out of the pull of the body. Okay? So like that, so many ways you can come out. But generally, that's a statement.
Prabhuji, there will be body given which is desire as well as his own karma also, na? Both.
Correct. See, also, just like you are eating. Now, the soul doesn't need food, no? This is how the body, even you are dragged by the body to some extent, but you cannot overcome it, Anna. You have to sleep. That's also the drag of the body, no? Correct? Soul doesn't need sleep, no? So we have to drink water. Why you have to drink water? The soul doesn't need water. It's fresh always. Okay. All active performed by the body, which is created of the material nature. Self does nothing. Self will only serve Krishna. It's just sleeping. It cannot. Nitya Siddha Krishna Bhakta Sadhaka Bhunaya Shavanadi Shuddha Chitta Karaya Udaya. Correct? Everybody knows this shloka? Nitya Siddha, the soul is the eternal servant of the Lord. Krishna Bhakta is the great servant of Krishna. But he is sleeping. Shavanadi. When you hear Bhagavad Gita, which is transcendental, mystical. Yeah, the mystical way we have to wake up the soul. We cannot wake up, just say, अभी क्या बोलते हैं इसको? वो कीड़े आ रहे हैं ना पूरे आपके, अभी बिहार में पहुंचेंगे नीरज आपके
तीड़ तीड़
हाँ
पूरे इंडिया में घूम रहे हैं वो, अभी भोपाल में घूम रहे हैं, महाराष्ट्र में घुस गए, अभी आएंगे सब जगह इस साल। अभी मैं कल मजाक कर रहा था, किसी को कि झटका ही बचा, वो भी आ गया कल छोटा सा। तो नित्य सिद्धा कृष्णा भक्त, so soul is the Hare Krishna Prabhuji. The soul is the servant of Krishna, correct? But तो उसको ऐसा नहीं है कि हम उसको भगाने के लिए लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, पटाखे और ड्रम कर रहे हैं ना उन कीड़ों को भगाने के लिए, करेक्ट? तो किसी को तो स्पिरिचुअल फिजिकल अवेकनिंग के लिए आप उससे कर सकते, स्पिरिचुअल अवेकनिंग मतलब हॉर्न लगा के नहीं होता है। स्पिरिचुअल अवेकनिंग मिस्टिकल प्रोसेस है, मिस्टिकल, कि इतना भी हॉर्न लगा लो आदमी नहीं उठेगा उसको, है ना? लोग जाते हैं, क्या कहते हैं, रॉक म्यूजिक सुनते हैं, जोर का इतना हाई वॉल्यूम है, कूदते हैं, नाचते हैं, उससे भी आत्मा नहीं उठने वाली, ज्यादा सोएगी और डीप। उठाना है तो स्पिरिचुअल प्रोसेस चाहिए, बिकॉज सोल स्पिरिचुअल। क्या प्रोसेस है? हरे कृष्णा कृष्णा
कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे।
हमने पढ़ा ना कुछ लोग का, सबमिट टू द हियरिंग प्रोसेस, बस। इसलिए जो हरि नाम है या ये जो शब्द है प्रभुपाद जी के, प्रभुपाद जी भी भगवान के महान भक्त हैं, सब स्पिरिचुअल वर्ड से आए, इसको सुन के आत्मा उड़ जाए।
यस
नहीं तो यही है, टोटली ड्रैग, है ना? जैसे प्रॉपर से जो ग्रेट डिवोटीज होते हैं, ईटिंग स्लीपिंग सब बंद कर देते हैं, ना तो खाते हैं ना सोते हैं, थोड़ा सा खाया, सोने का तो उनको टाइम ही नहीं है ना?
यस
व्यतीत रहते हैं। तो प्रॉपर से एज वी एडवांस, लेस स्लीपिंग, लेस ईटिंग, बिकॉज स्पिरिचुअल वर्ल्ड में ये है ही नहीं, मेटेरियल खाना कोई खाता ही नहीं ना, मेटेरियल नींद आती, रात भर नींद नहीं आती उनको, पूरे टाइम जगे रहते हैं, है ना?
यस सर जी।
क्योंकि आत्मा को नींद नहीं आती, आत्मा फ्रेश है हमेशा। The body is a machine designed to fulfill desires. Okay, 31 हरि बोल। चलेंगे एक और श्लोक।
यस प्रभु जी, हरि
10
बोल।
पेज बचे हैं इस चैप्टर में। यदा भूता पृथक भावम,
यदा भूता पृथक् भावम्
एकस्तम अनुपश्यति,
एकस्थम् अनुपस्थिति
एव च विस्तारम
एवं च विस्तारम्
ब्रह्म संपद्यते तदा।
ब्रह्म सम्पद्यते तदा।
When a sensible man ceases to see different identities which are due to different material body, attains to the Brahman conception, thus he sees that beings are expanded everywhere. Yes, Raman Prabhu.
One can see that the various bodies of living entities arise due to the different desires of the individual soul and do not actually belong to the soul itself. One actually sees in the material conception of life, we find someone a demigod, someone a human being, a dog, a cat, etc. This is a material vision, not actual vision. The material differentiation is due to the material conception of the life. After the destruction of the material body, the spirit soul is one. The spirit soul, due to the contact with the material nature, gets different types of bodies. When one can see this, he attains spiritual vision, thus being freed from the differentiations like man, animal, pig, low, etc. One becomes beautified in this consciousness and able to develop Krishna consciousness in his spiritual identity. How he then sees things will be explained in the next verse.
We read a famous shloka, Vidya Vinaya Sampanne Brahmane Kapni Hastini. Then Samadarshi means equal. Brahma Bhuta Prasannatma Na Shochati Nyakansati Samaha Sarveshu Bhuteshu Sarva Bhuteshu Samaha means equal. So he knows his bodies are only because of material desire, they have nothing to do with your spiritual identity, nothing. Right? Different desires you accumulate, different kind of bodies that come. So all the bodily differentiations are just material. On a spiritual platform, this has no meaning. Therefore, they want to create unity in the world, but how they can create unity unless you bring people to the spiritual platform? If they remain on the metal platform like dogs, they will only bark at each other. है ना? I'm a Gujarati, don't come to my street. Hey, I'm a Bengali, don't come here. I'm a Kannadiga, don't come here. That is all metal platform. Spiritual platform, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, whole earth is my home. है ना? That is the Indian conception of Ramanji. है ना? Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Whole earth.
Yes, Prabhu.
है ना? Whole earth is my home. Because why? Because the material differentiation for a devotee has no meaning. You know, just like अभी आप लाल ड्रेस आए, कल पीला ड्रेस आए, हमको क्या लेना है? हमको तो रामन सर से बात करना है ना? So people are too much distracted by the metal covering. A pure devotee is always on the, that's why it's called Paramahamsa. He can differentiate between milk and water. Hamsa. So Paramahamsa means he can differentiate body and soul. And he only deals with the soul, not with the different body, and nothing to do with the different body. That's why Prabhupada could preach all around the world, because he was not seeing the bodily difference. He was addressing, talking to the soul. 32nd. Anaditva nirgunatva Paramatmayam avyayaha Sharirasto api kaunteya Nakaroti na lipyate. Those with the vision of eternity can see that the soul is transcendental, eternal, and beyond the modes of nature. Despite contact with the material body, O Arjuna, the soul neither does anything nor is entangled. Though the eternal soul is transcendental, eternal, beyond the modes. Despite contact with the neither does anything nor is entangled. Yes. Damodar Prabhu, आप पढ़ेंगे?
A living entity appears to be born because of the birth of the material body, but actually the living entity is eternal. He is not born, and in spite of his being situated in a material body, he is transcendental and eternal. Thus, he cannot be destroyed. By nature, he is full of bliss. He does not engage himself in any material activities. Therefore, the activities performed due to his contact do not entangle him. Hare Krishna Prabhu.
So nothing happens to the soul basically. All this is happening to the body. Soul is just sleeping. That's all. And it is awakened but the body has got entangled in so many things. He is not born when you are born. Soul is totally, basically the point is here, we are differentiating soul and the body. The soul is eternal servant of Krishna, pure devotee of the Lord. And the body and the mind, they are full of all the kachara. Soul is eternal. So he doesn't die, he is not born. He is not polluted by the contact with the material body. There is no transformation of the soul. Soul remains. You cannot cut the soul, you cannot burn the soul. Okay? Okay?
Hare Krishna, sir.
He is not destroyed. You remember there was the shlokas in Bhagavad Gita in the 2nd chapter? You cannot burn the soul. Nainam chandanti shastrani, nainam. In that spirit, you have to look at the shlokas. Correct? Eternal, beyond the modes of nature. Soul is not affected by anything. Soul is pure. It is only slumber, sleeping. It awakens, it is totally liberated. You chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram. Soul wakes up, it takes, first sees the Lord in front of it, falls to the lotus feet of the Lord, and then wants to serve the Lord. Jiver Swarup Hoy, Nitya Krishna Das. It's the eternal servant of the Lord, that's all. It's totally transcendent and eternal from the material atmosphere. Is by nature is full. Sachidananda is the nature of the soul also, just like the nature of the Lord. And it does not, he just wants to serve Krishna, just wants to see Krishna and serve him. Therefore, even though in a metal body, and it's like a slight awakening for the soul, but still, Therefore, it is searching. Even in this, slightly we have Krishna consciousness in a human form body. Aren't we searching for Krishna? Always looking. Who has Krishna is Krishna. है ना? बाहर ढूंढते रहते हैं, कोई दिखा है? Because we are searching for Krishna. Heart of the heart, we are searching. Aeroplane में भी window seat चाहिए. है ना नीरज?
Yes, Rohit.
कहीं बाहर कृष्णा न दिख जाए, है ना?
Yes.
बस में बैठे कोई चढ़ता कौन आ गया? अरे तुम्हारे कितनी वेट कर रहे हो?
Yes. Yes, Rohit.
So in one sense, soul is not entangled. The entanglement is for the body and the mind. Soul is the eternal servant of the Lord. This is that angle you have to see. Okay? You cannot cut it, you cannot burn it. Yeah, Rohan.
Sir, this last line, sir, is confusing. Therefore, the activities performed due to his contact with material bodies do not entangle him.
Means when he awakens, he just can shrug off all the things and go back to Krishna's kingdom.
Okay.
See, the karma is not eternal anyway. It's temporary. Metal world is also temporary. It's just like a Kumbh Mela. So full camp is set up, and a temporary camp is set up. So the soul is not so eternally bound in anything. And when it awakens itself, it is already beyond all the karmas. All are washed away. Nothing binds it. Soul is the servant of the Lord. It's very powerful. Actually, interestingly, one soul is more powerful than the sun planet itself. So powerful. He's a servant of Krishna. He's not ordinary personality. Like Vishnu Dutas who came, how powerful they were. The Yamudutas ran away. You're also Vishnu Duta, potentially, isn't it? Correct? You're very powerful. Nobody can, even Brahma cannot. You're extremely powerful personality. Now, I'm not encouraging you like Mayavadis do, but the fact is there. You're son of Krishna. You're not ordinary personality. Okay? So if you just have to awaken yourself, automatically all the karma is washed away from your system. Okay? You don't have to do something else. The soul is awakened to its identity. Automatically, when the jnana, that's what he read in the chapter of jnana, when you acquire jnana, all the papa is washed away. So we are hearing Bhagavad Gita and acquiring jnana, spiritual knowledge. And all your entanglement is washed away.
Sir, I have a question.
Yeah.
Sir, like, is there any start for the soul? Like,
is there any
starting point of soul? Like,
oh, is it particular
while
date?
creation?
Date.
While creation.
मेरा जैसा birthday in material world में body का soul का भी date है.
Yeah.
See, there are two things. Number one is that material time and scale we should not take to the spiritual world, because in this world we see everything like that, everything is born and dies. Spiritual world, everything is eternal, no? So we don't take the conception of here to there. It's a different world. We don't have time like here. So different time and space. Really difficult, because we are thinking through material mind, which is used to in the world where things are born and everything is dying. It's unusual to think about something which are eternal. That is one point, because soul is said to Bhagavad Gita to be aja, it is unborn. So then we hear that Krishna expanded, not created. It's like we are within the Lord. It's not that a spark is within the fire. Correct? Therefore, never it's a Krishna created, expanded. Correct? We are called Amsha, Vibhin Amsha, Swamsha. कौन सा दिन था वे कृष्णा राम पे एक्सपेंड हुए? नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होता. It's eternal. Okay?
Sir, soul travels to, like different planets, or is it like the higher planets and the material earth?
Soul can travel anywhere. Any universe it can go. You have some set of desire, and Krishna will arrange some facility, some part of the universe. May not be this universe. There are trillions of universes, some universes. Soul is totally that's why it is said it's beyond all this material world. And it's very powerful. In a second, it can travel. Just like mind is powerful or not. Now you're sitting in your country, you can think about your home, correct? And if you're Siddhis, not only you can go inside your home, you can pick up some items and bring. अरे यार वो notes copy भूल गया, ठीक है? आप कॉलेज में बैठे हैं, हॉस्टल से उठा के ले आए. That is Siddhi, प्राप्ति Siddhi. The mind is extremely powerful. Different siddhis are all leading to the mind. Mind can awaken those siddhis. Prabhupada says just like you have a ability to walk, Anna. So you can practice, then the walking ability comes. The mind has ability of all the siddhis, which are practice can be awakened. So anyway, the Prabhupada doesn't focus on that. He's focusing on us awakening our real spiritual identity, servant of Krishna, because otherwise we'll get distracted by that. है ना? एक थोड़ा सा सिद्धि पता चल गया, you can pick up something from hostel. That's it. Tomorrow Anil will declare I'm God. You will show to people some gold rings. और बेचारे किसी की सोने की दुकान से उठा के लाएगा. कहीं से तो आएगा ना. You can't create matter out of nothing. That only God can do. है ना? Yes, you can bring a ring from your hostel. People say, oh, he's God. हो गया. So then Anil will become another Baba. Anil. So Prabhupada doesn't distract us. Otherwise, the soul has all the kind of power. This is for the mind now. Just imagine you come to soul. My God, it's extremely powerful. Much, much more powerful. So it doesn't need, chalo bhai, soul ja rahi hai dusra universe mein. One flash. It going to the spiritual world, flash is there inside the spiritual world. So no way the soul's powers are curtailed by the contact with the material nature. It is in the sense that soul cannot be dissolved, soul cannot be burned. Nothing you can do to the soul. Taken. It's totally transcendental and spiritual.
Prabhuji, can I ask one question, Prabhuji?
Yeah.
See, as we said, discussing that soul and super soul are together within the body. When the body dies, soul goes. What happened to super soul, Prabhuji?
Super soul accompanies. It's
Super soul always goes with the soul only.
Cannot leave. It's bounded out of love. It is tied to the Atma because of love.
So soul and super soul always together only.
Yeah, only when you go back to Godhead, then there is no need of the Paramatma to be with you. You are directly seeing Krishna face to face. Just like your son, God forbid, your son runs away from home. You can't leave him. You can't leave him. And neither he's suppose small child, he can't even feed himself. No, you have to go behind him. Invisible way, you will be behind. Okay, and you will be arranging. He reaches a restaurant, you will go and pay inside the bill. So khana de dena. And he's thinking, see, I'm independent. He doesn't know father paid for the meal. Why is he giving him? He doesn't know anything. He wants to take rest. You pay the hotel mein kuch paisa. He can go and take rest. He thinking, see, I've proved I'm independent. He's an idiot. How can he be independent? So he wants to breathe air. You are supplying that also. Krishna is even much more. This is just be a material father. How much we can do. Correct? Now it's morning in India. Sunlight is about to come. Correct? Sunlight is coming. Beautiful. Sun has not come, but sunlight has come. Everything, sunlight, air, water. Now you go to office. You're serving your boss because he's throwing some coins in front of you. Correct? Your situation is different. But most of the people are working. Hemanji? They're throwing some coins and you're working 8 hours, 10 hours for that. Because they're giving you something. But we do not know Krishna is giving you something. We do not know. We are not darshan of that. Then you serve Krishna with love. We are now philosophically understanding, but we are not able to see that. When you can see Krishna is, the boss supplies me little money and I work for him day and night. Krishna is supplying me water, air, food, everything. And I do not want to serve him. There's one way, no? It's not correct. So once we have realization of this, you become very deeply devoted to Krishna. चलो, we continue. 33rd, प्रभु जी. आज खत्म कर देते हैं chapter को. Yes, Damodar Prabhu. Any other?
Yeah, understood, Prabhu. Means he always accompanies with us.
Always accompanies.
Always with us. So we should not feel that we are separated.
He can't leave. Therefore, Prabhupada says very nicely that Krishna comes to us and says, nonsense, what you're trying to do. You cannot break this relationship. This is eternal. Just like this, so, आपका बेटा आपसे बात नहीं कर रहा, God forbid, ठीक है? What you will do? You'll go and talk to him. What are you trying to do? ये रिश्ता तुम नहीं तोड़ सकते. ये हमेशा का है ना? You will try to say, no, this is material. But imagine Krishna, the real father. He says the same thing. You cannot break this relationship. What you are trying to do, rascal, you cannot break this relationship. It's an eternal relationship. है ना? What you are trying to do, किसी तरह तोड़ो इसको. There was a boy. He was in depression. I used to meet him in Bangalore. He used to come to my, I used to preach to him. Then one day I was telling, प्रभु जी कुछ ऐसा आपने समझा दिया, बॉडी नहीं आता हूँ, कुछ ऐसा बताओ ये सोल को खत्म कर दो।
सोल को खत्म कर,
है किसी तरह सोल को खत्म कर दो, मैं नहीं रहना चाहता दुनिया में। मैंने कहा तू अगर आत्म सुसाइड करेगा तो भूत बन जाएगा। अरे समझ आ गया, अब ऐसा बताओ कि सोल को ही खत्म कर दो। So we want to break the soul, we want to break the relationship. That is our attitude. But Krishna cannot forget. Supreme Father, he cannot forget. He accompanies the soul out of intense love, not small. Therefore, when we can experience, I'm just chota mo badi baat, but when you can experience the love of Krishna, you faint. Can't even imagine. Just like hostel में होता है ना, नीरज, आप लोग तो सब ब्रह्मचारी हो, लेकिन देखा होगा ना जो लोग फंस जाते हैं, दिन रात भी नहीं आती है, नींद भी नहीं आती पूरी रात, हैं? छोटे वो इस दुनिया के प्रेम में ही लोग पागल हो जाते हैं, घंटे 4-4 5-5 घंटे बात करते रहते हैं, पता नहीं क्या बात करते हैं।
Yes, yes, Prabhuji.
रोहन,
Yes, sir.
so when
Fail
you come on a
attachment.
spiritual platform, when you
Yes.
feel that, है ना, तो ये तो छोटा मोटा love है दुनिया का, which is just not
Yes.
even a drop compared to Krishna's love. So when you experience Krishna's love, you faint. Therefore, great acharyas, they are break all the time. They are totally transcendent. They are crying, they are laughing. They run. Night we were reading, no, Sri Ramji, है ना? When they chant Hare
Yes,
Krishna
Prabhuji.
mantra, devotee becomes mad. Amazing it was, no?
Yes, Prabhuji.
पागल हो जाता है।
Super soul will.
Different bhavas.
Soul, what is it?
What is that?
Different bhavas, Prabhuji.
Different bhava. It's so amazing to read all that. है ना?
True, Prabhuji.
Yes, Ramanji, super soul. So Shastra says no, it's like two birds sitting on the same tree. One bird is eating the fruits of the tree, other bird is watching. उसको आपके फल से कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं है, वो दुनिया के छोटे मोटे फ्रूट नहीं खाने उसको, इट वाचिंग। क्या फिनिश्ड है ना, चले? नहीं नहीं नहीं, अभी थोड़ा और फल खाने बड़े अच्छे हैं। ठीक है कहा। But imagine the love, it waits, it doesn't leave you. One devotee was telling very nicely recently, even देवता तुमको नहीं छूते हैं, कलयुग के लोग अभी आसपास नहीं आते, है ना? जैसे झुग्गी झोपड़े में कौन जाता है, नहीं जाते ना, आप लोग जाते हैं, गंदगी रहती है, है ना? तो देवता लोग भी आसपास नहीं घूमते, कलयुग के सोच के सामने नहीं आते। द्वापर युग पहले युग में दर्शन नहीं मिलता था देवता का, अभी आते ही नहीं, लेकिन कृष्णा साथ रहता है। He proves he loves you, ना? फ्रेंड इन नीड इज अ फ्रेंड इंडीड, है ना? जब असली प्रॉब्लम आती है खाली असली दोस्त सामने आता है, जस्ट लाइक कृष्ण अर्जुन के चैरियट चलाए, है ना? असली दोस्त।
Yes, Prabhuji.
सिमिलरली अभी कलयुग में हमारी अवस्था बहुत खतरनाक है, देवता का भी दर्शन नहीं होता, है ना? लेकिन कृष्ण
Yes,
तक साथ है, प्रूव्स ही इज योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड, आपके साथ है। बोलो क्या करना है?
Yes,
चलो
Prabhuji.
वापस चलते हैं, वैकुंठ वापस। चलो देखो देखो प्रभुपाद का मैगजीन का इनाम, बैक टू गॉड, बस स्ट्रेट टारगेट पे ऑन है बिल्कुल सीधा।
Yes, Prabhuji.
कुछ और टाइटल नहीं लिखा।
Mom
कृष्णा
Pitti.
कृष्णा नॉलेज, कृष्ण भक्ति, चलो ये सब छोड़ो, सीधा टारगेट, बैक टू गॉड।
Yes.
यथा सर्वागतम सौक्ष्म्या,
यथा सर्वं गता सौक्ष्म्या
नोपलिप्यते,
Akaksham nopalipyate.
ते
सर्वत्रावस्थितो देहे
सर्वत्र
Sarvatra dehe.
पानोपलिप्यते। The sky, due to its subtle nature, does not mix with anything, although it is all pervading. Similarly, the soul situated in the Brahman vision does not mix with the body, though situated in that body. Yes, Gayatri Mataji.
Hare Krishna Prabhu. The air enters into water, mud, stool, and whatever else is there. Still, it does not mix with anything. Similarly, the living entity, even though situated in various varieties of bodies, is aloof from them due to his subtle nature. Therefore, it is impossible to see with the material eyes how the living entity is in contact with this body and how he is out of it after the destruction of the body. No one in science can ascertain this. Hare Krishna.
When the death comes, just soul just walks away. It's not that soul dissolve हो गया है, फंस गया है, रस्सी से body से बांधा, कुछ नहीं. It's aloof from due to its subtle nature. इसका is totally does not mix, है ना? ऐसा नहीं है सोल पानी में डाला तो घुल गया, कुछ भीग गया, सूख गया, कट गया, जल गया, है ना? इस दुनिया में हर चीज का ये होता है ना, कट गया, जल गया, सूख गया. Soul nothing happens. It doesn't become wet, it doesn't become dry. ड्राई हो गया, तो कट गया, चोट लग गया. Totally transcendental. Because these are all shlokas very beautiful. No, that is glorification of you, the soul. I guess क्या ये बात हो रहा है? बता ना, I am the body, I have soul. No, you are the soul. You are surrounded by the body. लोग कुछ पूछते हैं ना, मेरे पास सोल है क्या? अरे मूर्ख, तू ही सोल है. तेरे बैग में सोल भरी हुई है, मूर्ख. तू सोल है, बॉडी तेरे पास चारों तरफ है, बेवकूफ बॉडी. हाँ, हमारा इतना बॉडी इतना सुंदर है ना, ये बॉडी देख के जैसे जेल में जो अपना कैदी का ड्रेस देख के बुरा लगता है ना, करेक्ट. सही में आचार्य लोग जो उनको एक कैदी ड्रेस में देखते बड़े दुखी होते हैं, मूर्ख किधर फंस गया तो. अननेसेसरीली बेवकूफी में, बेमतलब में इस जगह आके फंस गए. कोई जरूरत नहीं थी इधर आने की. स्पिरिचुअल वर्ल्ड में कृष्ण के साथ नाच रहे थे, बेवकूफों की तरह इधर भटक. कोई जरूरत नहीं थी. नो नीड टू कम टू देम. अननेसेसरीली वी आर सफरिंग, है ना? बेमतलब में तड़प रहे हैं, कोई जरूरत ही नहीं है. कृष्ण ने आपको तड़पने के लिए नहीं बनाया था, आनंद के लिए बनाया था. लेकिन आप ये ऐसे बेवकूफी इधर आके फंसे गए. कृष्ण ये थोड़ी सोचा थोड़े सोल्स को तड़पने के लिए बनाए थे ना, है ना? आनंदमय अभ्यास, आनंद, चलो आनंद करते हैं. लेकिन नहीं, हम आनंद नहीं करेंगे, हम थोड़ा दुख पाएंगे. यथा प्रकाशयति एकः
यथा प्रकाशति एकः
कृष्णं लोकमिमं रविः
कृष्णं लोकम् इमं रविः
क्षेत्रं क्षेत्री तथा कृष्णं प्रकाशयति भारत.
प्रकाशयति भारत.
O son of Bharata, as the sun alone illuminates all the universe, so does the living entity, one within the body, illuminate the entire body by consciousness. Yes, Manish.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Purport. There are various theories regarding consciousness. Here in Bhagavad Gita, the example of the sun and sunshine is given. As the sun is situated in one place, but is illuminating the whole universe, so a small particle of spirit soul, although situated in the heart of this body, is illuminating the whole body by consciousness. Thus, consciousness is the proof of the presence of the soul, as sunshine or light is the proof of the presence of the sun. When the soul is present in the body, there is consciousness all over the body. And as soon as the soul has passed from the body, there is no more consciousness. This can be easily understood by any intelligent man. Therefore, consciousness is not a production of the combinations of matter. It is the symptom of the living entity. The consciousness of the living entity, although qualitatively one with the supreme consciousness, is not supreme because the consciousness of one particular body does not share that of another body. But the supersoul, which is situated in all bodies, as the friend of the individual soul, is conscious of all bodies. That is the difference between supreme consciousness and individual consciousness. Hare Krishna Prabhu.
So it's a symptom of the presence of the living entity. Symptom. Okay. The consciousness, when it relates to the Supreme Lord, actually that becomes conscious. In relation to the matter, it is all dead. Sun alone illuminates the universe. Living entity within the body illuminates the entire body by consciousness. Correct? See, it is not said it's a property of the soul. It's a symptom of the presence of the soul. So Sankhya people, Rasaj Prabhu does a lot on this. The difference between saying is a property and a symptom. So consciousness is the nature of the soul which awakens in contact with the Lord. Therefore, Prabhupada says consciousness means Krishna consciousness. Correct? Consciousness means Krishna consciousness. Consciousness is developed in Krishna consciousness. Material consciousness is still, it's hardly consciousness. Consciousness means Krishna consciousness. Total awakening. The little manifestation all around the body, we are actually aware what's happening. But that's not really, eyes are not open of the soul now. The soul is totally in bliss and happiness in contact with Krishna. By matter, what can matter is dead. So dead things you cannot create and create a living thing, correct? That's a foolishness of the material scientist. और अपने को विद्वान मानते. As much dead matter you combine, Prabhupada says very nice analogy. From darkness you cannot create light. Light is something else. रात को थोड़ा अंधेरे को मिला दो, मिक्स कर दो, मिक्सी में घुमा दो, लाइट बन जाएगा. नहीं, डार्कनेस से अंधेरे ही रहेगा. कितना भी घुमा लो. Light is something else, introduction of the sun, which is independent. So similarly, the body is dead, consciousness makes the body living. Therefore, dead child doesn't grow. Hai? It's not. It's qualitatively one, it's not supreme. Qualitative, in quantity, it's not like the Supreme Lord because it's conscious of everything happening everywhere. Hai? But we are only conscious of limited sphere within the body. Because soul has passed away, the body is dead. Therefore, then the doctors try, they're all kind of nothing. Soul has gone, means gone, dead body. Kuch nahi kar sakte. Therefore, Prabhupada says we can understand the soul if we keep studying the material science, the difference between dead body and living body. If they make a department like that, put money, time, they will understand. It is the difference between soul and the body. That is the question Prabhupada asked in MIT. No, he's giving mercy to them also. We have a department where they're trying to study the difference between living body and dead body. If you have a department, you have research on that, you'll conclude it's not the body. Anna, Rohan?
Yes, sir.
If they start studying on that line, so slowly they will come to the. He gave them the hint, work on this. लेकिन इतने घमंडी हैं, कुछ नहीं करेंगे वो लोग, वहीं रहेंगे. So we can't wait for the scientists to discover the soul is there. We don't have to wait for them and waste it. Let them take their time. Why we waste our time? Anna? We can't wait for them. Kshetra Kshetragnayo evam
Kshetra
Taram Jnana Chakshusha
Ananto
Jnana Chakshava
Bhuta Prakriti Moksham Cha
Bhuta Prakriti Moksham Cha
Viduryanti Te Param.
Ye Viduryanti Te Param.
One knowingly sees this difference between body and the owner of the body can understand from this bondage and also attain to the supreme goal. Shri Ramji, padenge.
Hare Krishna Prabhu. Purport. The purport of this 13th chapter is that one should know the distinction between the body, the owner of the body, and the super soul. A faithful person should at first have some good association to hear of God and thus gradually become enlightened. If one accepts a spiritual master, he can learn to distinguish between matter and spirit, and that becomes the stepping stone for further spiritual realization. A spiritual master teaches his students to get free from material concept of life by various instructions. For instance, in Bhagavad Gita, we find Krishna instructing Arjuna to free him from material considerations. One can understand that this body is matter. It can be analyzed with its 24 elements. That is gross manifestation. And the subtle manifestation is the mind and the psychological effects. and the symptoms of the life are the interaction of these features. But over and above this, there is soul and there is also super soul. The soul and the super soul are two. This material world is working by the conjunction of the soul and the 24 material elements. One who can see the constitution of the whole material manifestation as a combination of the soul and material elements, and also can see the situation of the supreme soul, becomes eligible for transfer to the spiritual world. These things are meant for contemplation and for realization, and one should have a complete understanding of this chapter with the help of a spiritual master. Thus ends the Bhaktivedanta purport to the 13th chapter of the Srimad Bhagavad Gita in the matter of nature, the enjoyer, and the consciousness.
Hari Bol, we finished.
Hari Bol,
Hari Bol, Prabhuji, Hari Bol.
अभी 14, 15, 16, 17 बहुत सिंपल चैप्टर। ये चैप्टर थोड़ा सांख्या टाइप है, थोड़ा इसमें थोड़ा सा ज्ञान है बहुत सारा, है ना?
Yes.
How to see the difference between the body and the owner of the body. मुश्किल है? नहीं. Soul and body में, है ना? And the personal liberation from the body also attains the supreme goal. So इस chapter का that is the target of this chapter. ये शुरू इधर से हुआ था, क्षेत्र ज्ञान, है ना?
Yes, yes.
Main knowledge. Body is different and the owner of the body is different. इतना समझ आ गया कि chapter समझ आ गया.
Yes, yes, Prabhuji.
This is the purport of the 13th chapter. Therefore, proper saying the purport of the 13th chapter is what is that? One should know distinction of the body, the owner of the body, and the super body. तीन चीज अलग अलग है. ठीक है. So ये सारे 6 के 6 चैप्टर हैं. It's more of an analysis. को जो क्रीम दो थी सैंडविच खा लिया हम लोगों ने. अभी उसके जो ये ब्रेड है ये, है ना? Should at least have some good association. ठीक है. And understand, become enlightened. Okay, we should understand the distinction between the spirit and matter, and this is the stepping stone ABCD for spiritual realization. And we have to get free. Prabhupada keeps talking this material concept of life, material concept of life. You have to become free from the material concepts of life. Okay. Symptom of the life or the interaction. But over and above this, there is soul. There is also super soul, matter, soul, God. The three things are there. This all has been explained thoroughly in this chapter. And these things Prabhupada says are meant for contemplation. इसके बारे में सोचने का. अभी दर्शन नहीं है, सोचने का. Whatever you read from Bhagavad Gita, पूरा दिन सोचने का. And with the help of spiritual master.
अपने कॉलेज का प्रेजेंटेशन भी था प्रभु जी, वो EQ, IQ, SQ वाला, तो आप एक्सप्लेन करते थे वो 24 टाइप्स का मटेरियल को मिक्स करके तुम बॉडी बना के दिखाओ.
करेक्ट. ये सब चीजें को सोचने का, ध्यान से सोचने. करेक्ट. तो थोड़ी बाथरूम गए, अब साबुन डाला, शैम्पू डाला, एक बिल्ली बाहर आ गई, ऐसा थोड़ी होता.
यस यस जी.
लेकिन ये सोच रहे हैं ऐसा होगा. हम तो चलो इतने बुद्ध नहीं है, तो कहते हैं ना ज्यादा ही पढ़ लिया तो ज्यादा ही बुद्ध बन जाता है.
यस.
जैसे इंडिया में 2 स्टेट्स हैं जो सबसे एजुकेटेड हैं, केरला एंड वेस्ट बंगाल. वो ज्यादा ही पढ़ लिए वो लोग, इसलिए वो लोग कम्युनिस्ट बन गए. Over and above this, there is soul and there is also super. Okay. Hevan ji, Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, everybody.
Hare Krishna, sir.
Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, sir.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Chalo, we finished 13th chapter. Now,
Yes,
we'll
Prabhuji.
start. Today, many people are not there. 3 Matajis are missing: Prerna Mataji, Preeti Mataji, and your Amrit Mataji. है ना?
Yes, sir. We had a class at 7, sir. 7 to 8. So I think so. She could not get time to cook.
ठीक है. पांचा कल्पतरुश्च
नमो नमः.
हरे कृष्ण.
हरे
Krishna, Prabhuji.
हरे कृष्ण.
Hare Krishna, everyone.
हरे कृष्ण.